So now I have my router set up with a 1/2-inch rabbeting bit that is set to the exact depth or the thickness of this MDF. And I have my frame for my door set up on some pieces of wood, just so this bit doesn't dig in to my MDF here. And I'm just going to go around the edge and make a nice little channel for this to sit in, kind of like that. And once I glue it all in place, it is going to make for a nice solid door. Now, one thing I am going to do before I start, unfortunately, it's nice that this is set perfectly, but I don't want to take off too much material at a time. So I am actually going to adjust this so it takes off about half. So I'll start with that. And now we can set this depth all the way. Double check with our scrap piece here. There you go, should be good. Just check it, make sure we're good. I think we're good. All right, I want to go over a couple things. This is pretty much what this should look like. And we just double check, triple check, make sure our piece is going to be nice and flush. And the reason, or two reasons why you want to only take off a little material at a time is because I went a little quick over here. So there is a little bit of chipping right here, which I should be able to caulk in, it'll be fine. But the other reason is because you could get something like this, which I can just break off and sand this, and then it'll be perfect. So that's how I started to do it, and then I wanted to tell you the correct way. So I stopped myself and readjusted, and then when I went to do it again right here, this is what happened. So I did this, and then the router bit caught on this piece right here, and it started going even further. So this is the actual channel that I want, and I'm gonna end up having that kind of mess right there. So I could start over, or I could just fill this, because the inside of that cabinet, I don't really need to impress my coats and whatnot. So basically, I messed up. But the good thing is I can fix it. Stay tuned.